Hi, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. Today I came on here to talk to you about our leather 8s with Lilla Rose. I was getting my hair done this morning and, well, doing my hair, wasn't getting it done. This is actually 3-day hair and kind of the leathers are kind of my go-to on day 3 and 4 if I don't get it washed. So, and I'll just show you, I have it in a simple top knot with a stick. And I just wanted to show you some of the options we have and show you a couple of my go-to so simple styles you can do with our leather 8s, braided 8s, beaded 8s. Now we have fabric 8s to go with mix and match any of our sticks. This is actually a retired stick called Diamantina, and it goes with, now I'm blank on the name on this, but this is a stylist exclusive with kind of that bronzy flower, and I'm blanking on the name, Maisie, there it is. So really cute. And one of the things I wanted to show you is just how many options there are. I mean, you can see the simple different colors. We've got basic colors, we have traditional leather colors, we've got beaded in the silver, red, bronzy, natural, black, and we've got all kinds of centerpieces from black on black. We've got florals. I was looking for one in particular, seeing where it is. Oh, let's see, I didn't take it off there. We've got other stones, beaded. I thought I had, what happened to my, there it is, it's hiding. Kind of the real pretty cactus bronze with the turquoise. So lots of options. There's the Maisie again, a close-up, one of my favorites. Now that's a stylist exclusive. Some of these are, we have paw prints. So they come in all kinds of designs. There are lots on the website itself, but all kinds of designs and sizes. Now along with those sticks, you can have the option of purchasing the stick that they have chosen to go with it, or you can purchase it alone and either use a stick you already have or mix and match sticks that you like. I want to show you some of my favorite combinations with some of our newest designs. This is one of our newest colors. It is a dark violet purple, and you can mix and match that with, we also have the lavender stick that you could put with it instead, which is nice. Because we've got a lighter purple as well. We've got all kinds of colors. And just to show you the stick options, I'll show you, these are our simple, we have simple sticks and we've got beaded and other options, but this is just a small sample of the stick colors. And a great option for school, we don't have a lot of, we can't do licensed school colors and whatnot, like for the NFL or the NBA, whatever it is, but you can mix and match your own. So we have most of the school colors represented in the leathers and the simple sticks. So you can mix and match. For Steelers, I use the gold and black. For the Mountaineers, I use the gold and the blue. So options there for school colors as well. We also have, sorry for the noise, metal sticks, all kinds of, and wooden sticks, decorative sticks, I should say, from the simple all metal, and just we've got some of the ones that look kind of a hammered, all smooth, different kinds of beaded, from very blingy to very simple and basic. And then we even have some of our natural sticks. These are two I had. They have them in dark wood and a light wood, so different options there as well. So again, getting back to some of my favorite combinations, this one is a brand new one called Chestnut, and I love it. Using the same color. Now with the leathers that are the plain leathers, the seam is on one side, or you can reverse it and it can be smooth. So depending on what kind of look you want, a more sleek look, you can put that out. I personally do like the contrast of seeing the seam and the stitching. So you can see that there. Love that. So that's the new one, this chestnut, that I think will look nice in just about any color of hair. So the chestnut, one of my favorites. Tried and true is turquoise. This isn't a new one. This one's called Nina. And again, these come in 6 sizes. So you can, they're much more flexible than the flexies. Flexies need more exact sizing. These I can wear a lot of different sizes, from the teeny tiny to the, not the biggest ones, because they are still just, I don't have enough hair for that. But they do come in sizes, and I can help you with that. And we've got this beauty with this, the wooden beads. I love it. And it comes with a different stick. It actually comes with, I believe it's this stick, which does look nice with it, but I just like the contrast of these 2 wooden beads on the end of it, since these are wooden beads. So that's my favorite. So if I were you, getting that one, and then purchase a separate stick. So there's that one. Then let's see. Oh, look at this one. Dragons. And I just picked this one. I think it might come with just the black simple stick, which is nice. I'll show you the difference. I chose the metal one. Almost looks like a needle, but to match the black nickel metal to match the dragon. Can you see that? It's a cool looking dragon. Our town is going to be doing a Crypticon, which is about all things mythical. So I am going to be stocking up on some dragon things soon. So there you can see it with just the wooden, not the metal. All right, and I will show you, all right, for the last ones, I'll put them in my hair to show you some of my favorites. I think I've got the rest of them covered. Okay, so this one was just a top knot, okay? I'm going to take that out. And the advantage of these is that you can use the stick without the leather if you want. You can't use the leather without the stick, but you can do a lot of things with the stick. I have several tutorials on lots of ways to use the stick alone and by itself. So the first one I'm going to show you, this is Livian. And this kind of coordinates with our flexi of the month for this month, which was Aylin. So it was a blue. Now this one is sold out, but there are still some of Livian left. Now, if you really like Aylin, you can contact me because I have some available that I can get to you. So mostly from medium down. I don't have any of the larger sizes in that. But Livian is beautiful. Now, I paired it with our, I think that's our, is that our gray or denim? That's our gray stick, which we just came out. I'll go ahead and show you that now. I've been waiting for a gray leather, and we got one. Now, the stitching is the same color, so it's not real bold with the stitching, which I kind of like. It's very subtle, and so I like the same color stick with the flexi for a subtle look, but you can mix and match. You can bling it up. You can put a contrasting stick in there, which is what I'm going to show you. So I'm using the gray, or the other one that would work is our denim. Actually, I'm going to use the denim, not the gray, when I put that in there, because it's got a little more blue to it. So we have a denim stick in with the Livian. Okay, so I'll show you how I did that top knot. So simple. It's that cheat French twist I'm always talking about and doing, but you just do it up a little bit higher. So what I do is I start with a ponytail, then I'm going to hook my hair around my thumb. You can use your finger if you want. I just use my thumb, and then you're going to twist it up, pulling that up. And I leave that loop at the top. If your hair is much longer, you might do that a few more times. I only do it twice. Okay, and then I'm going to lay, and with this one you could put it with the gem on the top or the gem on the bottom. I'm going to do it with the gem on the bottom this time. And all you do is you take your stick, go in one side of that twist that you laid it over, come up the other. Now sometimes I'll leave hair out if it's curly, but I will kind of just mess this up and pull this out. If I really want to mess it up, I'll pull some ends out depending on how if my hair's curly or not, but just to kind of have a messy top knot. But that's with the Aylin stick. You can do that with any sticks. And then if I want some side hair pulled out, I can do that too for an even more casual look. So it's a very casual, sometimes, you know, the messier the better with these. So that's the top knot. Then, so I'll show you the gray on gray that I was talking about. Probably would not wear it with this shirt, but for today's purpose I will. So the other one I do is, I start out like I'm doing the other one, but all I'm going to do is just kind of twist it over, and then I leave those curls out. Actually, right now it's probably just frizz, but if you have long curly hair, it actually looks really nice to do this and flip that over so you have the center loop at the top, and then those curls hang down. So longer hair looks even prettier. So this time I'm going to keep the seam side out and use the gray with the gray. So you can see that, and you can pull that out. Just a real simple, almost like a French twist. You can do a French twist with these. I'm just trying to show you some that are a little bit different and maybe a little more casual. Okay, so that was gray on gray. All right. Then this is one of our new Fabricates. So this is brand new, and it's denim. If you can see that, I love it. And it comes with this denim stick, which I have been using with everything. I've used it by itself in that top knot, which I'll show you here at the end. But I just love this casual look. Another look I like, let's see, which one is it? Now that we have the chestnut, is the chestnut in combination. See how you can mix and match and get a totally different look, and lots of different styles that you can do with these. So with this one, I'm actually going to do the contrasting one, I think. And I'm just going to do a simple, it's not even a really bun, I'm just going to wrap my hair up and catch it loose. So it's going to look different every time. I had someone request a tutorial for the one I posted, I think it was with Livian on Instagram, and I'm like, it's not going to look the same when I do it because it looks different every single time I do it. But I usually always like the look. So let me show you what I mean. And I'm just going to take my hair, like I said, I'm not even really doing a bun, I'm just twisting it in, and I'm trying to keep it loose and kind of flatten it out. I mean, I want some ends, especially if my hair is curly. I like some of those curls popping out. But again, I just lay my Flexi 8, whoops, it dropped to the floor. Sorry. So I lay my Flexi 8 across the top of that. I'm going to catch hair from underneath, go in one side and come up the other. And then, you know, again, I don't have a mirror to know what it looks like, but sometimes if something's sticking out, I can loosen it or pull it. Sometimes I need to redo it. I can see something in the bottom sticking out. Sometimes I can roll that in. So it's going to be different every time. But again, it's at least up off your neck. So you can get a lot of different looks. So the leather 8s and sticks are extremely versatile, super comfortable, no headaches because it's not pulling on your scalp. So if you're interested in any of those leather 8s, you can check out the website, check out other tutorials that I've done with those. But I just love the versatility of Lilla Rose is versatile in and of itself, but these really, you can do so many different things with and get a lot of different looks. So be sure and check out the other tutorials and let me know. Give the video a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of these tutorials. And it was fun being with you here today, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.